everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. In this video, I am going to guide you on how to log in to your Genesis Health account on your web portal. So, let's get started. First of all, open your desired web browser and navigate to Genesis Health account. You can do this by typing Genesis Health Login. Now click on My Genesis Patient Portal. Now scroll down and look for Sign In option. Here you can see Sign into My Genesis Patient Portal. Click here. Now you have been directed to Sign In page of My Genesis Health. Enter your email address or your username and your password, then click on Sign In. Make sure you already have an account registered to My Genesis Health. If you do not have an account, you can register it by clicking on Sign Up. You can also retrieve your password if you have forgotten it. Just click on Forgot Password. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to My Genesis Health account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.